Hi there, Jay Johnson again, windowpurchase.com, which is an interactive learning center to teach people more about windows and doors. Here is your tip of the day. You get new windows, and then sometimes the blinds you had or were using fit, and sometimes they don't. Or sometimes they need to be adjusted or moved further out flush with the wall. Now I think I did a video on the proper place or the proper way to mount blinds, which is always flush with the wall instead of up against the window, because you want heat to be able to get to that window. You want air circulation between the glass and the blinds. If you put the blinds right up against the glass, you're likely to get more condensation on the room side painted glass when it gets cold out in the winter if you live in a cold climate. So, number one rule, if you're looking for new windows and you're in the market for new blinds, do not get the blinds till after the windows are installed. Then have a company come out and measure professionally for blinds and make sure they install them properly. Not all types of blinds will fit after your window installation. The ones I see the most problems with are typically the big 2-inch wide wood plantation blinds. They just hog up so much room within that wall depth that sometimes they just won't go back on, because sometimes your new window needs to be pulled a little further to the inside, or if it's a better window, it might have a thicker framing system, meaning wall depth. Wall depth. Not glass base, wall depth. So don't be too mad at the window guy if your blinds don't always fit after the install. They should kind of be upfront with you on this. Most of the contracts I see kind of state in there that they don't guarantee that the blinds are going to fit after the window install is complete. So just kind of keep that in mind. And another thing is, unless you're doing a fix and flip, which if you are, you're probably going to use cheap windows and cheap blinds. But I meet with a lot of clients that are actually thinking they're going to spend more on the blinds than they're willing to spend on the window. There's your first problem. If you're really willing to spend more on the blinds than on the windows, you need to rethink your strategy, because 70% of the heating and cooling in that house is related to the windows, partly doors, but mostly windows, because most people have more windows than doors. But the other thing is 90% of the energy efficiency of a window has to do with the glass package. Again, think triple pane. Watch any of my videos on triple pane. Actually, almost any of my videos on glass, and I'm a huge triple pane fan. Anyway, that's my tip of the day. And if you like my videos, please subscribe. My name is Jay Johnson, windowpurchase.com. Thank you so much.